warning in effect until 9 a.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday. What flooding caused by rises along the Cache River is occurring? Where? A portion of East Arkansas, including the following county, Poinsett. When? Until 9 a.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Additional details: at 1:07 p.m. Central Standard Time, emergency management reported flooding in the Warren area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pitts. http://wweather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.